Hey guys, Sarah here. So this may be my first video with my voice, but I still wanted to try it out to just see how you guys would enjoy it. But first of all, I'm only trying this because of specific reasons of me needing to get further on my channel, and I just wanted to play with some friends. So today I'm actually with some friends. I mean, they're leaving the call, but still I'm their friends. So, yeah, my friend is screaming. I will leave their channel links in the description. So, my friend thinks she's cool. No, frick, frick, frick. Hmm? Okay. Yeah, anyways, this is just like a test video. If you guys like it, comment if you like it. My sister is such a K-pop fan. It's so annoying. Anyways, she's playing Blackpink. Oh my god! I'm sorry for screaming in the mic, but she's being so annoying. I can't see my screen because she just banged it against my face. My sister's pure annoyingness. Anyways, my friends are just like really uncalm 24/7, so it's like they're screaming into the mics. I'm so annoyed right now, but I have to deal with it because they're in the call. But, I just wanted to see this, try it out, see if you guys would like it or not. But if you don't like it, leave it in the comments below, or just give this a like and dislike if you like it or not. But, anyways, please leave a comment in the description. Not the description, but check the description for my friends' channels. They really need the support, and I'd rather give it to them throughout a video instead of, just not saying it in a video. It's kind of annoying that this is the first time that I've used a microphone, but, this is really just a trying out thing. But, I will also leave their Roblox usernames in the description and their channels if they'll tell me them. But this was really this is really just for fun. I'd really just rather try it out and see if you guys liked it or not. But with my sister being annoying, it's kind of hard to record. Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you like me doing it with my voice, then tell me. I'll do it more often. And yeah, thank you for watching. That will be the end of the video for today. Remember to say in the description if you like this type of stuff or not. And if most of you like this, then I will start doing this more. I will record with my voice and more like that. But anyways, see you later. Bye.